Umchunu uthi ukwenyuka kwezibalo zobugebengu bokuhlaselana kwabantu kuyakhathaza. Bangaphezulu kwey'nkulungwane eziyisithupha abantu ababulewe phakathi ka-April noJune kulonyaka. Lezi balo zehlile esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal. Isifundazwe iWestern Cape yisona esesihamba phambili.
4 of the 9 provinces recorded increase in murder cases, with the highest increase recorded in the Western Cape, followed by Northwest and then the Eastern Cape and Limpopo.
Ubugebengu bokusatshiswa kwabantu ukuze bavikeleke sebusabalale ezweni lonke.
Extortions are now spreading widely like wildfire in South Africa. And it's a crime that is receiving our attention. We are not going to leave the public exposed to extortionists. There's just no way.
Lezi balo zobugebengu zesigamu sokuqala sonyaka ziza ngesikhathi esibi esibonisa ngokusobala ukuthi abantu bakuleli bahlezi lubhojozi. Umchunu uthi lesi yisexwayiso sokuthi amaphoyisa kumele abhukule.
The data is a stark reminder of the urgent need for action on our side, on the SAP side, and all the other people who are involved in fighting crime in South Africa.
Ungqongqoshe uthi isixazululo sokuqala kule nkinga ukuthi baqede izibhamu ezingekho emthethweni.